Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into newborn hair care. Whether your little one has a full head of hair or just a few soft strands, I'll show you how to gently wash and brush their delicate hair to keep it healthy and smooth. Caring for your newborn's delicate hair can feel like a daunting task, but with a gentle touch and a little know-how, it can become a soothing routine for both you and your baby. Your baby's hair is incredibly soft and fine, and their scalp is sensitive, so taking care of it requires special attention. When it comes to washing your baby's hair, less is often more. Newborns don't need daily hair washes. 2 to 3 times a week is usually sufficient unless your baby has particularly oily hair or gets dirty more frequently. Use a mild, tear-free baby shampoo that's designed specifically for their sensitive skin. During bath time, hold your baby securely with one hand supporting their head, and with the other hand, gently pour a little warm water over their scalp. Apply a small amount of shampoo and softly massage it into their scalp with your fingertips. This not only cleans their hair but also helps to stimulate their scalp. Be sure to rinse thoroughly to remove all traces of shampoo, which can cause irritation if left behind. After washing, gently pat your baby's hair dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing their hair, as their scalp is delicate and their hair can tangle easily. If your baby has longer hair, you might want to use a soft bristled baby brush or a wide tooth comb to gently remove any tangles. Brushing your baby's hair not only helps to keep it tidy but can also be a calming experience for your little one. It's a great way to bond with your baby while helping them get used to the sensation of grooming. For babies with little or no hair, regular gentle scalp massages during bath time can be beneficial. It helps to improve circulation and keeps the scalp healthy. Also, remember that a newborn's hair can change a lot in the first few months. It's not uncommon for babies to lose some of their hair, and the texture and color may also change as they grow. Taking care of your newborn's hair is about being gentle and attentive to their needs. With time, this routine will become a special bonding moment for you and your baby. Thanks for tuning in. I hope these tips make your baby's hair care routine a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more baby care tips. Share your own hair care routines in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.